Hey guys, Thomas Talon here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a model year 2025 Yamaha AR220 that just landed here at our Greenville store. Beautiful boat, guys. New colors for 2025. It's the all black hull color. This boat comes with this black painted dual axle trailer with trailer brakes, and a swing tongue. Perfect for fitting in small places, easy for storage in your garage. Guys, boat has the solid black rub rail, pop-up cleats, has the matching watersports tower to match the black hull. Beautiful for this year. One of the most attractive things about these Yamahas is the transom. It's great for all your entertaining. You've got cup holders back here where you're going to do all your hanging out when you're at the sandbar in the water. It's right here, guys. Let's come aboard and take a look. All right, guys, welcome aboard. Let's take a look at the bow of the Yamaha. You'll see you've got plenty of long bench seats, guys. Perfect for stretching out. You also have bow filler cushions that lock in to turn this into a giant sun pad. Plenty of cup holders up front for all your beverages. Walking through your walk-through windshield, you'll see your helm. Nice layout. Got your stereo, Yamaha Connect screen, all your instrumentations, wireless phone chargers. You also have a wireless phone charger over here for your co-pilot side as well. Wraparound bench seats. Guys, perfect for when you're doing water sports. Sit here and face back so you can see your water ski or wakeboarder. It's got the snap-in flooring. Plenty of storage, guys. Wonderful boat. Available here at MarineMax in Greenville. For more information, please give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom. Thank you and have a great day.